Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about conditional rendering using the ternary operator, right? So with the if-else condition, we can actually complete this part. Now friend, in this video, I want to discuss about another conditional rendering using that logical and. So what exactly that things? Here that will be little bit different. Here that should be only display one part. That means if this condition is a true, then only that will be display some of the things, and else that will be display nothing. Okay, so here that will be executed only one condition. So if you want to do this work like that way, here I want to take it. I will take one of the status as a, that is a status I make it as a false, and here right now I want to clean it. Okay, here I don't need it, I want to clean it. So that is actually return, and that is our div. Okay, so into this area, that is very clean, one of the one line code. I take one of the h1 tag, I make it as a locking status. Sorry, that will be the status. That is a locking status. So now here, if you want to call as a logical and function, in that case we have to do, that is our second bracket expression, and into the second bracket area here our variable name as a status. Okay, where this is status and. So when that will be the and, then that will be, that means when it should be get check our, that is the condition. Okay, so right now that is our false. So it should be only executed one condition. When that will be the and, that means status as a our, it should be get that status, then that will be display. That means when that will be as a match, then that will be display on the button. Here I want to load that button. Sorry, button. So that is actually a button. I want to load on the button, that will be display as a log out. Okay, so that is very simple one line code, is very clean. So but here that will be only executable for one condition. Like right now that is our status as a false, and when that will be get that our status, and then it should be display as a logout button only. Like I show you, if you now click as a save all, and now if you go, and here you can see it's now display as a logging status as nothing. It because of all it's check, as I told you, it should be check only first condition. When that will be not match, like here our condition as a false, and when it should be as a false, that will be hide total things from here. So when our condition will be matched, like here I want to make it as a true. Okay, when that will be as a true, so when this condition will be true, then that will be display our logout button. So now it should be display our logout. Now click as a save all, and now if you go, you can see it's now successfully display our logout button. When you add some of the conditional rendering for the one condition, okay, that means they have the no else condition. It will be just like only the if condition. So if that is match, then that will be display our one of the things. Okay, that means our button, then that should be display. So that is actually the logical and then rendering. Okay, so just simply remember all that our conditional rendering, because friend that will be needed multiple time for our project. Okay, so make that sure you remember and practice all that conditional rendering. So next video I want to discuss about another conditional rendering that will be for the immediately inverted function. So how can working with this next video, I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.